Hello, beautiful humans. This year, the same as most years, I'll be embracing a slow holiday season. Are any of you out there embracing a slow holiday season this year? If you are, leave a comment below. Whether you celebrate Yule or Christmas or both, this festive season will be the way it was before the pandemic, with the hustle and bustle of shopping and traveling. But I'm looking forward to slowing down, snuggling up, and switching off. The holidays are a magical time, but its busyness can trigger anxiety for many. In fact, research found that over 2 in 5 people felt stress during the festive season, and 1 in 4 struggle with anxiety or depression. I choose a slow holiday season and its quiet rhythm that paves the way for a less stressful season. And this may be just what we all need. There are many reasons to embrace a slow holiday season this year. One of them is that there's less pressure. A slow living holiday allows for less pressure to attend social events. It lets you choose the ones that are really important to you. Many social events can be fun, but a jam-packed week can suck all the joy out of the festive season. Without added pressure of attending events and parties, I can make time for the things I really want to do. I can make time for nature walks, embracing a lazy afternoon, soaking up the simple things that make the season special. From financial worries to increased family conflict, the pressure to achieve a perfect Christmas can leave many physically, mentally, and emotionally drained. So why not embrace a slow living holiday season this year? It also allows us to remember what's important. Many can get so caught up in the nonstop chaos of the holidays that it's easy to forget what really matters. Loved ones, family, health, hope, peace, stillness, joy. Instead of the retail festival it has become, Yule or Christmas should be a time of reflection and a chance to gather with those we love. Do something that'll make you smile. It may be a chance to perform random acts of kindness. For others, it may be attending an uplifting holiday concert. I am looking forward to soaking up the small things and having time for myself. Why not make a list of all the things you'd enjoy doing this holiday season? It could be trying a new hobby, such as writing or baking. Maybe finishing a book you started. Long nature walks. Slowing down helps us in these times of uncertainty. It's important to have time for yourself. And slow living keeps us from falling victim to purchasing gifts just for the sake of it. There's less pressure to spend. I myself make my gifts or shop locally, supporting small businesses, and buy only what I really need. Research discovered that 1 in 4 people feel pressure to overspend at the holidays, while many households risk falling into financial difficulty in January due to buying what they can't afford. This year, let's put less pressure on ourselves by enjoying a slow holiday season and spending less. It's a time to reflect. Enjoying a slow living holiday gives us a chance for reflection on both the past year and the one to come, as well as looking back on all the ups and downs this year has presented. I always love to use this time of year to make reasonable goals for the new year to come. Not resolutions, but achievable goals. As we all look into the coming year with anticipation and hope, make your holiday as refreshing and peaceful as can be. Enjoy the peaceful hum of a slow and simple holiday season, and be kind to yourself.